about how to make money online. So I keep on searching ways and means. Maybe I'll be able to do that too. So today I'm here to share with you about digital marketing. Digital marketing is what I'm going to talk about today. So if you are interested in digital marketing, this is the video for you. So keep watching. So I'm going to tell you about digital marketing. So which is digital marketing? Digital marketing is online marketing platform whereby you market your product or service online through social media, or maybe paid search, or maybe optimize your content for the specific keyword or maybe some specific people. So if you want to do internet marketing, this is also the good video for you. So I'll be sharing my journey with you. So the digital marketing, we have 6 components in digital marketing, which is, so first of all, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the in my opinion, digital marketing is the new marketing form of marketing which everyone should be doing, which is there was radio and television, and now there's digital marketing. So digital marketing allowed you to reach people wherever they are, whether at their homes, on their PC, even sometimes on TV. Like if you are watching YouTube on your smart TV, you can see an advertisement showing up, and that's digital marketing. That's the power of digital marketing. So in digital marketing, we have 6 components, which are, we have social media marketing, search engine optimization, content marketing, email marketing, paid search, and then mobile marketing. So that's the stakes for you. So I don't have much time to explain more about it, but I will just give you the basis of each. I'll break it down for you. Actually, I'll make a list as well, so that I'll make it in a PDF form. If you are interested, I'll put it below in the link in my description, so that it will be the first link in the description. If you are interested, you just drop down. If you are on your mobile phone, just scroll down and you'll see a drop down button. You drop down, you see it, or maybe you just see it. If you drop down, you see it. And don't forget, if you get there, you see the subscription button. You subscribe and hit the bell icon too, so you won't miss any video that I drop. So if you are interested to know how to make money online, I will share with you some tips that I found online. Maybe if you are interested, you can try it out too. So I'll break the digital marketing 6 keys, 6 components for you. So in digital marketing, we have social media marketing. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing is the type of marketing that we do, type of digital marketing that we do on social media. So be able to reach people on their phones and then maybe on their PCs through social media, which is, we have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, we have Pinterest, and we have YouTube as well. So there are so many social media I can't mention, but you get the picture. So number 2 on the list is SEO, or what do you call it? search engine optimization. What is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is the process by which you optimize your content online for a specific keyword, so that when people search for it, you come up at the top. I don't know if I'm making sense. Sometimes some people just put their content online. They didn't target some specific people. So maybe I can target a coffee shop in Accra, or a coffee shop in Kumasi. So maybe like a specific area in Accra, or maybe a specific area in Kumasi. So when someone search for the coffee shop, maybe like a specific area in Accra, or maybe a specific area in Kumasi. So when someone search for the coffee shop, maybe if I optimize it very well, my content would come up at the top. I don't know if I'm making sense. So if you don't know, maybe I will put a PDF below so that you will read about it more and you get to know about it. And then number three will be content marketing. Content marketing, if you haven't heard before, they keep saying content is king. It means that if I do good content and put it online and somebody get to see it, or maybe if it is post, or maybe a video, or maybe an audio, and somebody get some value from it, the person will keep on coming back for my content. Or maybe whenever the person see my content, he or she will be interested in it because the value that I provided to him before. So that's content marketing. You market your content in such a way that people will keep coming back to you. So if you need more to read about it, you can go down below and then download the PDF. You learn more about it. And number 4 on the list is email marketing. Email marketing has been there for 2 decades now. Actually, 2 decades. I'm not sure if you get me right, but it's been there for a long time. But I don't think it's going anywhere. It's here to stay. So email marketing is a form of marketing that you market to your customers directly to their emails. Directly, like it's like personal marketing. Like you know them, they give you their email address so that you advertise your service to them. You tell them new things about what you are doing, or maybe a product you are launching, or maybe a service that you are giving to the customers, or maybe just keep them aware about your brand. I know, maybe like, I don't know if you are understanding, but like, if you don't understand, I'll put the PDF. The PDF is below there. You can go and check it out. It's the first link below. Just scroll down and hit and download it. And number 5 will be paid search. With paid search, I don't know if you do search. Whenever you do search, especially on Google, just check the first results. Maybe like if you search for something like mobile phone, just check the first result. You'll see some results. When you look closer, you'll see ads below, or somewhere in the search you'll see ad. That means that's paid search. So when you are searching when you do paid search, when people search for your product, or maybe what you have to offer, your search will come up automatically. It will enter into a auction. So when you optimize your search, your paid search very well, so the search engine will bring it up for people to see. That means targeted people who are targeting the keyword that you are advertising for. Maybe I can advertise for people who are searching for mobile phones. So whenever someone search for mobile phone, my ad will come up. If my ad come up, maybe the person will see it and then click on it. And number 6 will be mobile marketing. With mobile marketing, you market to people only on their mobile phones. I don't know if you've seen a mobile ad before. With a mobile ad, whenever you are browsing, or maybe whenever you are on an app, you'll see some advertisement that will come up. Most of these are mobile advertisement. So I will explain more in the PDF that I put below, so that you can go and download it and read more about it. So guys, I think we've covered all the 6 components of the digital marketing. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. And don't forget to leave some comment and tell me what you like about the video and whatnot. So I hope you've gotten some value out of this video. Don't forget to share it as well for me, so that I'll keep on doing these videos like this. And if you don't like this video, just tell me what you like in the comments, what I should do for you, or maybe what I shouldn't add to the video, so that I'll get better. Thank you for watching.